Hey guys, Yanni here from Starvision. Today I'm here to show you guys how to set up your anti-flap kit and your annex with your awning. Let's get into it. As you can see, your anti-flap kit does come in two pieces. I always recommend sliding them in together, tightening up the handle, locking them into place. Then you'll notice these slide, and you can tighten them using the knobs at the back side. But to set up, we do want it loose, so they do slide, or you can remove it. Two ways of using them. With your anti-flap, you will notice there are 2 points that clip onto the awning and the body of the van. I will be demonstrating how to clip it on. So you will take this end here, and you'll see a little silver bracket inside your awning, and that's where it's going to clip into, just like so. Sometimes they are a touch finicky, but a little bit of force clips them in. The other end, you'll notice a lever, pull it back, and just like so, that connects up on top, just like that. As you'll notice, I have removed the outer casing from the anti-flap kit. I have put one on to demonstrate how it will sit, and basically all you're doing, slide it on and over. It does clip in, and then just tightening the screws till it grabs and holds it in place. With your annex walls, you will see one has a triangle piece like so. This is the one that's going to come to the front of the van. Right guys, and that's how you set up your annex. If you have any questions at all on it, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video.